Hi everybody, welcome to AQYS YouTube channel. This session is a special session. In this session, we'll go through the topics which we have already discussed. It means I have made the videos on these topics and today we will brush up these topics. Yesterday as well, we picked some important topics and we discussed those topics quickly. So we are going to be doing the same today as well. So these are the topics which we will brush up today. Montreal Protocol, export of Mauva flowers, India in UNSC, Ramsar sites, Havana Syndrome, Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, Indian Parliamentary Privileges, Internet Governance Forum, and Nanotechnology. So we have already discussed these topics. If you haven't watched these videos, then we will attach the links in the description box so you can go through all these videos. So I made a video on Montreal Protocol. It was in news. And this protocol, remember, it is related to the ozone layer. So this protocol, it seeks to prohibit the use of chlorofluorocarbons. And chlorofluorocarbons, these are the substances which are responsible for the destruction of ozone layer. So this protocol, it was amended in 2016. And this amendment is known as Kigali Amendment. So this Kigali Amendment is also important. And under this Kigali Amendment, the use of hydrofluorocarbons, it was also prohibited. Then we made several videos on the export of agricultural items. You can go through all those videos. You can expect at least one question. And one body which has been instrumental behind these exports, that body is APEDA. APEDA is very, very important. Make sure that you read about APEDA comprehensively. So this APEDA, it falls under Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Okay, so it is responsible for the exports of agricultural items. So this APEDA is very, very important. Then I made a video on UNSC because India assumed the presidency of UNSC in the month of August. So you can go through that video also, and you must know some facts related to UNSC. So UNSC has 15 members, 10 plus 5, 10 non-permanent, 5 permanent, and India is a non-permanent member, and non-permanent members, they are elected for 2-year term. So this fact is also important. Then I made a video on Ramsar sites because 2 new Ramsar sites were included, and this status, it is given under Ramsar Convention. And you must know that Ramsar Convention, it came into effect in 1971. Okay, and India also ratified this Ramsar Convention, and you must be aware of all these Ramsar sites. These are very, very important. Make sure you go through all these Ramsar sites. Then I made a video on Havana syndrome. It was in news actually, and this is very, very important. Remember, this Havana syndrome, it causes the physical sensation in your body. You start hearing peculiar, very strange kind of sound, and this happens, and I'm saying it because a study has come out, and according to this study, microwave radiations, these are the reasons behind this Havana syndrome. These are the plausible cause of Havana syndrome, microwave radiations. Okay, so this point is also important. Just remember about microwave radiations. Okay, then I made a video on Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. So this CDRI, remember recently Canada joined CDRI, okay? And this CDRI, this idea was muted, this idea was proposed by PM Modi. So this is our own initiative. And now it is getting the global recognition. So it was a massive development because Canada joined CDRI. Okay, so this CDRI also becomes very important for your upcoming prelims. Make sure that you go through the video in order to cover the important relevant facts. Then we made a video on parliamentary privileges. Okay, so MLAs, MPs, they have some privileges. We know that. So at national level, these parliamentary privileges, these are governed by Article 105. Okay, and at state level, these privileges are governed by the Article 194. Okay, so these privileges are very, very important. These are two, there are two kinds of privileges. One is collective privileges, another one is individual privileges. So privileges like freedom of speech, freedom from arrest, and the MP cannot be asked to produce as a witness. So all these privileges are very, very important. You must have the clarity. Okay, then I made a video on Internet Governance Forum. So this governance forum, It was organized in the month of October. Okay, so this forum will govern the issues related to the internet, and now the laws and framework, everything will be handled by this internet governance forum. And this governance forum, it has been established on the lines of internet governance forum under United Nations. So this point is also important. Go through the video. Okay, then I made a video on nanotechnology. Okay, so in that video I discussed the application and the science behind nanotechnology, that it all depends upon the behavior of electrons. A substance, a particular substance, can be made to behave like a semiconductor, insulator, superconductor. We can modify the behavior of electrons, and you can get whatever kind of substance you want. So it can be done under nanotechnology. So we discussed about all these things and the application part as well. So you can go through all these videos. These are very, very important topics, and you will find the links in the description box. Okay, so if you have liked our initiative, if you are finding our initiatives useful, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel, because we'll keep coming up with these kinds of videos. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye. Thank you very much.